The DS200 is easy to set up. Verify the green seal securing the ballot box lid matches the number on the designated envelope and statement of results. Then cut the seal and place it in the envelope. Use the silver key to unlock and open the ballot box lid. Unhook both latches and flip up and out to lift the lid. Use the black barrel key to unlock and open the DS200 screen. Lift and raise the screen to an upright position. The DS200 powers on and boots up automatically. As the DS200 powers on, verify the red tamper seal on the access door matches the number on the statement of results. Once the DS200 has fully powered on and initialized, it is ready to set up for voting.